Welcome back to the School of Soul, the social series. I'm ADELINE Atlas, and today we're diving into one of the most important balances you'll ever learn in business: how to over-deliver for your clients without burning yourself out in the process. Over-delivering isn't about doing more work. It's about creating more impact with the work you're already doing. It's about delivering unexpected value, small touches, or deeper care that leaves your client feeling like they got more than they paid for, without you constantly adding to your workload and draining your energy. The real power of over-delivery comes from smart touches, not endless tasks. It could be an unexpected bonus training, a surprise template, a personalized video message, or a thoughtful follow-up check-in. It's not about giving them everything under the sun. It's about giving them something extra that feels intentional, thoughtful, and unexpected. You over-deliver best when you pre-plan leverage points. Instead of saying yes to every custom request or stretching your boundaries thin, you design your offers from the start with built-in moments of wow, things that feel high value to the client, but don't cost you extra time every single time. This way, your brand earns a reputation for generosity and excellence without you sacrificing your health or your time freedom. The mistake that burns entrepreneurs out is thinking over-delivery means constantly stacking more, offering free coaching, working overtime, or personalizing endlessly. That's not sustainable. That's just a fast track to resentment. Real over-delivery is planned, proactive, and scalable. Final tip: over-delivery is not about doing more. It's about doing what matters most, intentionally, strategically, and sustainably, so your clients feel seen, supported, and amazed, while you stay energized, empowered, and excited to grow.